Let's take a break from city noise and dive into the roar of modern agri-machines. These beasts are revolutionizing farming, one field at a time. OMC's bulk pistachio harvester uses a precisely tuned shaking head to gently detach ripe nuts without harming branches. Its large catch frame funnels pistachios onto a conveyor, quickly loading them into bins or trucks, perfect for high-volume orchards. Designed to tackle diverse materials like wood scraps and farm byproducts, the Willibald High Performance Shredder Series EP 5500 Shark achieves throughput between 8 and 15 tons per hour. Powerful 300 horsepower Stage 5 engine, albeit with a notable fuel consumption of 18 to 22 liters per hour. One standout feature of the Auto Agri is its compatibility with existing farm tools, which simplifies workflows. Whether it's switching from a soil tiller to a grass cutter, the robot's design ensures quick setup and reliable performance, saving time and reducing the need for multiple dedicated machines. The laser weeder's key advantage lies in its selective weed removal. By analyzing plant signatures, it directs laser beams specifically at weeds, leaving tomato plants untouched. This precision contributes to healthier crops and higher yields. The initial step after harvest involves collecting loose straw from the field using a truck. Transports the unbound straw to a modern hay barn where a sophisticated grapple crane takes over. With remarkable accuracy, this crane lifts the straw and places it into a straw box, ensuring efficient and sustainable storage for long-term use. With gentle precision, the machine trims excess grape leaves without touching the fruit. Done early in development, this improves airflow, reduces fungal risk, and ensures even sunlight, boosting ripening and fruit quality. The ingenuity of Bevelander's design lies in its solar-powered autonomy, the self-driving harvester enabling the robotic harvesting of vegetables with minimal environmental impact and reduced labor needs. In modern orchards, apple harvesting with the KT20 crate transporter significantly improves workflow. As pickers fill crates, the KT20 follows along the rows, collecting them and transporting to the loading point without delay. This keeps the harvest organized and timely. Ever wonder how to get flower pots in a nursery to line up perfectly? The Kerner stacking machine has the answer. It uses some clever tech to set them in neat, uniform rows, creating an orderly setup without any drama. This saves nursery workers from the headache of manual stacking. With its ability to spade up to 30 centimeters deep, the Vangatrice 30 by 10 excavator offers significant soil cultivation potential. This depth, combined with the spading action that avoids hardpan formation, can contribute to healthier root development and improved overall soil health, ultimately benefiting crop production. In potato sorting, the UVision machine stands out by inspecting each tuber from all sides using a 360-degree vision system, capable of processing 11 tons per hour based on size and quality. Its advanced sensors allow for size adjustments as fine as 0.5 millimeters, ensuring each potato lands in the right group with 15% better accuracy than traditional sorters. The Triturator RM400 shredder offers robust performance for agricultural shredding needs. Its wide working width and sharp blades efficiently process crop residues and pruning waste, adapting well to various field conditions. Designed for durability, it supports long operating hours with minimal downtime. Emphasizing both efficiency and delicacy, the ASA Lift GB 1000 green bean harvester. Its enhanced pickup section improves bean collection in the field, while the two-part drum, with independently adjustable speeds, enables operators to tailor settings to different conditions, reducing product damage. The Evers fertilizer spreader excels at mixing manure into grasslands, arable fields, and stubble areas. Available in working widths from 6 to 9 meters, it offers farmers the flexibility to efficiently cover large or small plots. Information regarding the use of the DreamAct Zip02 for mechanical weeding and lettuce cultivation is a testament to the progress in adopting environmentally friendly farming methods. The fact that machinery like the ZIP02 can adapt to various soil conditions, the potential to replace traditional weeding methods, minimizing negative impacts on the soil and ecosystem. By harnessing the power of light, agricultural robot Thorvald provides a chemical-free approach to controlling powdery mildew and soft fruit farming. The robot's autonomous nature means less soil compaction and improved post-harvest fruit quality. Weeds and brush compete with fruit trees for water and nutrients in the soil. Using the OMC brush hog helps eliminate these competitors, ensuring fruit trees receive adequate resources for optimal growth. Look at the Model R 4-row disc gripper planter go. Those kneading rollers pressing dirt just right to cradle tobacco seedlings without choking their roots. The row marker's a lifesaver, keeping your rows dead straight even when the ground's bumpy. And that roofing, it's not just shade. It's blocking harsh rays so your plants don't wilt before they start. Since 2018, UK fields have showcased the reliability of the Jones Engineering root crop chaser. Its 12,000 kilogram capacity cuts fuel use with fewer trips. A 250 by 150 millimeter steel chassis handles tough terrains while protecting soil. Perfected over time, it's a reliable harvest partner. Spray and wash in one go. With a 6-ton tank and circular motion, the fixed double-head turbo sprayer with circular motion and citrus scent, spraying function makes orchard care easier than ever. This garlic dibbler's 4x4 diamond pattern ensures proper spacing, preventing underground overcrowding. If you've ever had to realign bales manually after transport, you'll appreciate the precision here. The Multipack C14. Arkeson's grouping arms don't just move, they guide and compress with deliberate geometry. Each bundle exits the machine as if molded by a press, not slapped together on a field. Well, not literally, but it might as well. It's got the appetite of a pepper-loving robot with the smooth moves of a harvest ninja. Just rotate the pots and let this machine handle the beautifying. When planting corn into mulch, maintaining even seed placement with the seeder plays a key role in boosting crop emergence and reducing weed competition. This machine plants 4 rows of potatoes with precision, offering uniform spacing and depth for optimal crop results. Its strong build and intuitive controls make it accessible to all types of users, from hobby growers to large-scale farmers, thanks to the DeWolf Miedema CP42. The straightforward designation, nutcracker, is accurate, but the specifications tell a more detailed story. It's not just brute force. There's clearly some engineering involved to achieve that balance of capacity and minimal kernel damage. Specifically designed for raspberry harvesting, the Raspberry Harvester Oxbow 9120 boosts labor efficiency and post-harvest fruit quality. Its Orbi rotor picking system operates gently to reduce plant stress, while the integrated fluidized bed cleaning unit effectively removes leaves, twigs, and other debris. Stuck? No problem. These forklifts, they lift each other too. The demanding task of harvesting strawberries and cucumbers is being transformed in Marlette, Michigan. The vegetable and strawberry picking machine comes with a broad canopy, shielding workers and crops from the sun's glare. Its gentle 5-row system carefully picks produce without disturbing plants, promoting both worker well-being and higher output. For flawless boxwood topiary, precision is paramount. The Trios Snooyer, designed to trim 3 balls simultaneously, achieves up to 1,200 balls per hour. Its synchronized blades ensure uniform shapes. This machine transforms raw shrubs into elegant spheres, and so, neat, charming potted plants are born, ready to enhance any landscape. Cultivating onions on ridges becomes easier and more accurate with the combined power of the Hack cultivator, combining the XHR and S series, a smart mechanized farming solution. Beyond just cutting, the Jingung cane cutting machine emphasizes organization with its ability to collect cut sugar canes in an orderly manner. This suggests a streamlined downstream processing. Furthermore, the integrated leaf cleaning during harvest contributes to a cleaner final product, minimizing post-harvest processing requirements. Mechanization is no longer a trend, it's a necessity. The DH180 beet harvester is a clear example of how technology can elevate agriculture by increasing yield and cutting labor costs. Advanced features, including laser line guides and sensors measuring product height, enable precise and consistent processing of sweet corn cobs. This leads to less waste and better overall product quality. Accurate seedling placement by transplanters contributes to better root development and overall crop establishment compared to manual planting. Designed to process thick orchard brush into fine mulch, the Flory WS910 shredder ensures that pruning waste is no longer a burden, but a resource. New cackleberry handles will make the TerraTech Baby Leaf Harvester harvest baby leaf. That ain't a hill, that's a mountain. And that tractor's like, hold my corn dog. You can practically see the determination in its exhaust fumes. The primary purpose of a potato digger is to mechanize the potato harvesting process, offering a more efficient and less labor-intensive alternative. This mechanization can lead to faster harvesting times and reduced operational costs. Like a gentle barber for tea bushes, this harvester trims the perfect layer. Quick, clean, and consistent. Growers focused on achieving clean, premium bean or legume harvests will find the Solmax rake highly effective. Its innovative pickup gathers small pods efficiently, and its integrated cleaning mechanism removes soil and stones as it works, producing cleaner harvests and facilitating smoother threshing. Farm life in Gilroy, California blends hard work with ingenuity. Farmers using flame weeding for organic, a chemical-free method. Fast cut and tie means less hard work. This Mahindra would make my grandparents' harvest so much easier. Tired of wrestling maize by hand? Unleash the Maize Harvester KK-MCH-01D. This bad boy mows through fields faster than your uncle at a BBQ. Modern vegetable production thrives on reliable equipment. The ZKN Cereals Bed Shaper excels with its all-in-one rotary tillage, ridging, and repression functions. No need to struggle with bumpy fields anymore. This cage-wheeled tractor does the flattens the land like a pro. Farming will never be the same, and we're here to witness it together. Subscribe to Mega Hub, like and share this video. We've got more coming your way.